Hi friends, hello everyone. This is Rohit here from the Digital Marketing Agencies. In this video today, I am going to show you how to host a website on Amazon Web Series in live sale. So let us see how I am going to do itself. So let's watch everyone this screen once. Let us see now how I am going to create itself. So first of all, you have to go to the website. It has a Amazon Web Series. So let's see, or otherwise I am going to the Amazon Web Series here itself. So first of all, you have to in this Google, you have to go to the website. It has an Amazon Web Series. So for those who all are having an account of this Amazon Web Series, you can directly go log into this website also. So let us see. Now I am going to click on this Amazon Web Series. Cloud is there. So let us see. For especially for those who do not have an account of this Amazon Web Series, I'm going to give this link in the description, and you have to go to that link and you have to create it. So let's see. This was the example. Now I have already created itself on So that's why now I'm going to directly log into this website itself. So let us see. So let us see. Now, first of all, here it is showing that signing to the console is there. No? So for those who already have an account of this Amazon Web Series, you can directly log into this signing to the console. So now I'm going to click it as a signing to the console. Before, let us see. First of all, you have to read all those instructions very carefully in this website. So here it is showing that explore your solutions. There are different types are there that we can create itself. So for example, industry, advertising and marketing, financial services, many things are there. You can create itself only. So this was the example. Now I am going to click show you how I am going to create it and how to install a WordPress here itself. So first of all, you have to click on the signing to the console. Okay. Now in this was the main dashboard of this Amazon Web Series management console. So is there. So let us click on the service. First of all, you have to click on the service button, and you have to select this option. It has a light sale, or otherwise you can search it here at also light sale. So for example, I'm going to type it here itself only. Let us see. Let's say light sale. Let us see. Okay, I have got it here only. No, so that's why you can click it here itself. So let us see. Now I'm going to click it here itself only. Let us see. Okay. This was the example that these two examples only that I have already created itself. So let us click on create an instance. So now I am going to click it as a create an instance. So after you have clicked it as a create an instance, there are instance locations are there. So for example, uh, I'm going to click it as a change AWS regions and availability zone is there. So there are many zones are there in this location instance is there. So in this, I'm going to selecting it as a only for Mumbai because I'm an India person only. So coming to the next point is that pick your instance image. So if there are two platforms are there here. So first one is Linux or Unix, and second one is that Microsoft Windows. So for example, I'm going to show you it as a Microsoft Windows. So in this Microsoft Windows, there are there are three options are there that we can select itself only for the Windows itself. So let us see if I am going to selecting it as a Linux or Unix. Let us click on the Linux itself. So yeah, you have to select a blueprint here itself. So many sites are there. You can create one. You can select one only one of the site here itself only. So for example, now I am going to create a WordPress here itself only. So first of all, if you want to get a key pair. So we have to click on the change a key pair, and you have to click on download here itself. Now I'm going to click it as a download itself only. Just now I have downloaded successfully. And coming to the next point is that you have to go to the click on create an instance. Now I'm going to click it as a create an instance. Let us see. Now it's pending now. Meanwhile, I'm going to the Putty app. Putty generation is there now. So you have to click on the Putty generation. Click on row. And you have to click on upload your key file. Let us see. And you have to click on all the files. And you have to upload your key file to Amazon. Not it's a Putty generator. Let's click on OK. Now let's click on save private key. Click on yes. Now you can choose any name itself. So okay, now and after it, then you have to click on save button and you have to click on close. So now it has been running successfully. So let's click on the WordPress. Now I'm going to click it as a WordPress here itself. So let us see. Let us see. First of all, we have found that public IP is there. So I'm going to search this public IP itself only. Let us click on the public IP. So let's see. Now I'm going to show you here itself. Let us click on the public ID itself. This first option you have to enter it as a HTTPS is there. So you have to enter it as a HTTPS. Let us see. Now I'm this was the example. Now I'm going to show you here itself only. Let us wait. This was the public IP is there. So you have to copy this public IP into new tab itself. So let us see. And meanwhile, you have to go to the connected using SSH is there. So let us see. For the example, this was the example. Let us see. Okay, now just now I have got it here itself only, and you have to click on proceed itself. Let us see. Okay, now I have got it here. This was the example only. So now how I'm going to create it? How I'm going to get a password itself. So let us see. First of all, here it's showing now. So first of all, admin WordPress dash admin. Let us see. So in this username, I'm going to click it as a username, user itself only. So otherwise, let us wait. Or let us be wait for 1 minute. Okay. Now here it is showing now. Let us wait once all of you. Okay, let's click on WP admin. Okay, now your username is user only. So let us enter it as a username. So if you want to get a password, first of all, you have to go to the click on connect using SSH. Click on connect using SSH is there. No? So you have to click it here itself also. Let's wait for 1 minute. Now I'm going to get a password of this WordPress here itself. Let us wait. Okay, now I'm going to paste this here itself only. So let us see. And you have to click on enter. Okay, I have got this password here itself. This was the password of this WordPress itself. So first of all, you have to click on copy and you have to paste it here itself. And then your WordPress website will be logged in successfully. That's all, guys. For today's topic is that how to host a website in light sale of Amazon Web Series. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, everyone, and click a bell icon from here. So, especially for those who all are having any doubts regarding about this topic of how to host a website in Amazon Web Series, like I said, please comment me in my video, everyone. And thank you so much, all of you.